Understanding, made a hash of it, a deep dive. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, made a hash of it. This expression might sound a bit odd at first, but it's quite common in everyday English. Understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your fluency and comprehension of the language. So, let's dive in and unravel the mystery behind this phrase. When someone says they made a hash of it, they're admitting that they've made a mess or mishandled a situation. It's a way of saying that their attempt to do something was unsuccessful, often leading to a confused or chaotic outcome. The phrase can be used in various contexts, from simple tasks to complex projects. The term hash comes from the French word hacker, which means to chop or to hack. Originally, a hash referred to a dish made by chopping up ingredients, often leftovers, to create a new meal. Over time, the phrase made a hash of it evolved to describe situations where someone had metaphorically chopped or mixed up something, leading to a less than desirable result. To help you understand how to use made a hash of it, let's look at some examples. 1. After trying to fix the printer without success, John admitted he had made a hash of it and called for professional help. 2. The event planner made a hash of the conference schedule, causing confusion among the speakers and attendees. 3. I tried to bake a cake for the first time, but I made a hash of it. It was barely edible. These examples show that the phrase can apply to both simple tasks and more complex activities. When using made a hash of it, it's important to remember that it indicates failure or inefficiency in achieving a desired outcome. It's typically used in informal contexts and can be a light-hearted way to acknowledge a mistake. However, it's best to avoid using it in formal or professional settings where a more straightforward admission of error might be preferred. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, made a hash of it, and how it can be used to express mishandling or failure in a variety of situations. English is full of such colorful expressions, and learning them can make your communication more vibrant and authentic. Remember, making mistakes and making a hash of it sometimes is a part of learning. Don't be afraid to try, and always keep learning. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.